So welcome to the online math class. Today we will discuss about the lab activity. Do you get the activities from the chat box? Respond through message. Ten activities are given to you. Okay. So first of all, I am telling about the practical copies. Do you have collected this copy? Do you have collected this copy? Math practical copy? So first of all, collect it. Otherwise, you can't write. So here, first of all, just fill up these portions: name, roll number, class, school, section, and in the next page, serial number, date, activity, page number, and signature of obviously teacher. So write the serial number, date, and the activity number. You have to do only 10 activity here. Now this portion, the certificate portion, here is a space for pasting your photograph. So just paste your photograph in school uniform, okay, which is in school uniform. Paste your passport size photograph and just write the student name, certified that this is the bona fide work of student name, that the student name, class, school name, academic year 2021, number of activities 10, out of just leave it, and then in subject mathematics, okay. Then from here activity 1 will be started. Activity 1, and in this space you may write the activity name of the activity and date, okay. Now I am telling you one thing, listen carefully. Can you listen me properly? Just respond me. Okay. Now suppose you are just start writing from here the activity 1. You have started from the activity 1 from here. Then suppose you have to paste something, you want to paste or draw something, you may draw in this portion or paste something in this portion, okay. Then suppose this page is not required for pasting anything or drawing anything, then you may write in this portion also, okay, because there are limited number of pages given in this practical book. So you may write in this left white blank page, you may use for writing also, okay, and then this portion also for writing is given to you. Is it clear what I am trying to say? Is it clear? The white portion is for your drawing or pasting something. I want that you paste more things than drawing. I am discussing one activity. So the blank white pages you may use for writing also. So that's it from the practical book. Now I am just explaining or discussing one activity. I think your second activity, to demonstrate a function which is 1 1 but not on 2. The activity is given the list there. I think the second one, isn't it? Go and check. I think the second one, to demonstrate a function which is not 1 1 but on 2. I am just discussing the second one. So first of all, you will give the heading here, or you may write this is topic. Topic means here to demonstrate a function which is not 1 1 but on 2. To demonstrate a function which is not 1 1 but on 2. Okay, this is our topic. Now the second point, prerequisite knowledge. This is topic, prerequisite knowledge. Now prerequisite knowledge means you have to know about the relations and function before. Sir, could you suggest many link from where we can search and write? Yes, NCERT. Okay, you can search in NCERT. Go to the website and search NCERT lab activity. You will get for every class there. Just download the 12th portion. Okay. Most reliable source is NCERT. You will get the materials for write down. You got it, Arpita? Yes, okay. Now, prerequisite knowledge means before starting about this activity, that is demonstrate about a function which is not 1 1 but on 2. Not 1 1 but on 2. You have to know about relation, function. Okay. So what will be the prerequisite knowledge? Just tell me, type me here. What will be the prerequisite knowledge required before doing this lab activity? Tell me. To know about relation, functions. So to know about, first prerequisite knowledge, to know about relation, function, and also their differences. Okay, the differences between relations and, yes, that will be the second one, type of mapping, yes, or function. So the second one will be the concept of different type of function. Concept of different types of function. Okay. Is it all right about the prerequisite knowledge? Any queries? So first point topic, just write the topic, and second point prerequisite knowledge. Now we go to the third point. Any question, any queries up to this one? Any question, any queries up to this one? No queries? Okay. So before go to the third point, at the beginning I am telling you one thing. Just try to make something, not that the drawing only. Drawing only will be the, I think, the projects you may say, or here I am trying to do the projects. So just try to make something, and that's why we required material required. The third point will be material required. In practicals, you know that in practical, during the practicals, you are trying to draw something in the white pages given in the practical books, and that's that type practical books, the white pages. Okay, but here try to make something and then paste on that space. Is it all right? Is it all right? What I am trying to make here? So that's why some material to be required. suppose chart paper, the color paper, also color paper is given here, the scissor, just write whatever the required things, write in the material required portion. The chart paper, the color paper, the scissor, then the ribbons, you may use the threads, okay, also the glitters, these kind of things you may use, glitter stars you may use. So material required will be different, it will be varied. Okay, so third point material required, and the fourth point, the main portion, that is the demonstration. This is the most important point, demonstration. The fourth point is the most important point. Again, it will be varied student wise. Now, here for this activity, suppose you are making domain and codomain with some chart papers or colorful papers. Okay, this will be formed, not just a drawing. I am drawing here. You will make with the chart paper or the art paper or color papers. Okay, and this is the domain. Suppose A, this is the domain, and the B, this is the codomain. Okay, now this is not 1 1 but onto, not 1 1. So suppose here the function, this is the function fx. Now here a1 goes to b1, a2 goes to b2. This is not 1 1 but onto. That means you have to cover all the elements of codomain. You have to cover all the elements of codomain. At the beginning I am saying prerequisite knowledge. So concept of different type of functions, 1 1, many 1, you know all the type of functions. So here the function is from defined from capital A to B, and such that f of a1 is b1, f of a1 is b1, f of a2 is b2, f of a3 is b3, and also f of f4 that also goes to b3. Okay. So A3 and A4, both the point goes to B3. So that is many to 1. You know that A3 and A4, f of A3 also B3 and f of A4 also B3. Now there are only 3 points in the codomain. Here A contains A1, A2, A3, A4, 4 points, and B contains, codomain contains B1, B2, B3. So the function covers the whole codomain. So that's why it is onto mapping. But you can't say this is 1 1 mapping. So you can use thread for making these arrows. You can use colorful glitter star type, anything for making these points A1, A2, A3, A4, then B1, B2, B3, okay, and then make it with the chart papers, thread, glitters, and then paste it in the blank space given, the white blank space. Is it clear? Then demonstrate it, and demonstration will be in your language. It will be much better. Is it clear up to this one? The fourth point, demonstration. Any queries, any question? Just make this portion and paste it. Okay. Sir, we have to avoid red color. Yes, avoid red color. Yes, yes. Obviously. Avoid red color. You may use also colorful threads. Okay, no problem. This is a lab activity, not that only the practical, not math practical. I am saying at the beginning, although in the message, the 12th lab activity. So lab activity means you have to make something, not that write only or drawing only. That is the practical portion. So activity means just make something. Okay, is it clear? Now the fifth point is observation. These are the actually observation. These are the observations. In demonstration, you have to write elaborately and explain this one. Okay, you have to write about this one, point wise. What you have done, what you have make in the demonstration. Suppose cut two oval shapes from a art paper. This kind of language will be in demonstration. Is it all right? What you have make, the processing, the methods, they write in the demonstration. This is actually the observation. So the number 5, point number 5, observation. So what we have observed from here, that in that function f from a to b, in this function f of a1 equals to b1, f of a2 equals to b2, f of a3 equals to b3, and also f of a4 equals to b3. Both of them a3 and a4 goes to b3. That's why it is many to 1. That means not 1 1 but on 2, because covers all the points of codomain. So this will be the observation. Okay, the fifth point. Can you understand the point observation? Okay. So move on to the last point, that is our result. Last point, result. That means the conclusion. Okay, you may write the conclusion also. In the result, just write this is verified from the above observation that the function is 1 1 but not on 2. Okay, in the observation you may write, after writing the observation you may write there exist 2 points a1, a3 and a4 belongs to capital A such that f of a3 equals to b3 and f of a4 equals to b3. So both of them goes to b3. Okay, this is the observation which shows that the function is not 1 to 1. And also another observation, that is covers all the points of B. That means each element of B has a pre-image in A. So now the last point, the result, that means the conclusion. Okay, just write that thus from the above observation it is verified that the function is not 1 1 but on 2. Okay, so you have to write or mention these 6 points. First one is topic, second one prerequisite knowledge, third one material required, fourth one demonstration, fifth one observation. The most important point is demonstration and observation. Okay, and the last one the result, just the conclusion one, conclusive line. Isn't it? Is it clear? Is it clear? And go to the NCERT website and you will get the materials. Okay, very good. So that's all for today. We'll be back again here in the new class and we'll discuss about the activity again. Okay. So till then, goodbye.